What is up, everybody? Welcome on in. I'm gonna go ahead and move on over to here. However, I'm gonna add a browser source real quick, just because there's a thing that I want to share with people. No, it's not that one. I don't want to share that. I think this is the right one. Yeah, this is the one. I want to share this screen. For no particular reason. I just think that it's important that we acknowledge that this screen exists, and that I'm gonna be involved in doing something with the screen during stream for a few minutes, you know? There we go. Not the primary content, just the content that needs to be there. Oh, nope, I don't want to move that one. I want to move this one. Lock that. There we go. What up, Saya? Also, thank you, Odat, for the 20 months. Really appreciate that. Yeah, so, there's nothing terribly important going on this screen right now, except for, who knows what could go on right now. It'd be crazy. Anyway, hey Odat, do you have your wireless headset on so you can hear me? That way I can tell the story while you're making coffee. And yeah, multiple monitors is where it's at. But I actually pulled this tab out into its own window just for this. Awesome. Okay, and I'm trying to remember what I was talking to you about, like what meeting I was in. Oh, right, the stand-up. Okay. Yes, now I remember. Okay. Yes, so there's a project that I've talked about that we're working on, digital asset management stuff. And I'm involved, I'm one of the many teams involved in building it out. So, for a half hour, 3 days a week right now, we have a stand-up. And every single time we are in that stand-up, someone confuses everyone else. Usually a lead architect by saying too many things to a question. I've talked about, I'm pretty sure I've talked about it on this stream before already. When you're answering questions in a technical setting, don't tell me a fucking story. Tell me the technical detail I asked you about, and whatever relevant context there might be to how we got there, or what might change it. I don't care about a story. I don't care about you confirming 5 other points with me that we're not talking about. But that's what the architect has been doing. Every fucking time we're in that call and he manages to make time for it, it just gets derailed hard. So today, I'll back up just slightly. Something that you'll see common in both my stream and Odat's, and a handful of other programmers on Twitch, is... yeah, I know, right? Well, the sad part is that he's actually decent at architecture. He's just really bad at organizing the thought once he has it, which is a real problem when his job is to organize the thoughts. So one of the things that we do all the time is we figure out a thing that's going to get reused, we write it, and then we stop thinking about its internals unless it goes wrong. If it continues to work, we just treat it as a black box at that point, and we don't touch the internals. We just let it do its thing and keep working with it. That's how I treat other teams' integrations with my stuff. I care about the communication point between the two systems, and I've talked to them about that and what it should look like and what constraints we're under to make sure we come up with a good design. After that, as long as it fulfills the role I expect, I do not care about their implementation. It's not my job to worry about. I treat it as a black box. The only thing I might ask is a little bit of an overview in case we're investigating something later on, and it's relevant to, maybe there's a problem with what they've done. I might ask questions then. Yes, exactly. Pretty similar, honestly. It's the, like, there may be other problems, but I don't care about those. Or I think it's more similar to, like, when you order food from somewhere, your expectation is that the food tastes more or less the way you expect, and that it doesn't kill you. Like, that it's not, like, tainted in some way in an unhealthy way. Past that, their specific practices for cooking the meal, you don't really care about. Like, as long as the thing you get out of it is the thing that you are expecting, you're good. They can cook it kind of however they want, again, barring like legal issues, whatever else like that, but they can cook it more or less however the fuck they want, as long as it's good and you can pay for it easily and it's not gonna get you sick. Like, that's the level I'm talking. Everything beyond that piece that I interact with, I don't care about. It can be whatever the hell they see fit. So so we had a question today about so I'm going to be sending certain pieces of information into our main product information storage area. And my question was, of the fields we've talked about here, which ones are you going to store and which ones are you going to pass on to another system that I'm going to consume from downstream in another part of this process? I'm going to need that data back, but it's going to be... Yeah, he's making coffee. It'd be really funny if ODAT popped back in here as he, like, hit the button or something, and then I greeted him again, and then Revenge came back in here distracted by that. That would be hilarious. And wouldn't it be crazy if ODAT had that exact same idea, as if you were wearing a wireless headset and hearing me say it out loud? So, I know, right? Exactly, you download more RAM. So, anyways, the whole thing around that is I care about, like, okay, what stuff am I going to send you? Which stuff, are we possibly going to remove because we're not going to use it downstream? And then once you've got that idea, because you're going to pass it off to that system, I'll ask them how they're going to process it, just because I want to make sure things get done in a timely fashion for the project, right? And the architect restates my question, but asks them, like, 4 other questions in between about, like, oh, well, you're storing it in a database and yada yada and this and that, and confirming little details along the way. And the guy he's asking is just like, hold on, what's the question, by the time he finishes talking, after like 3 minutes. And I was just like, here's the question we have, here's the reason for it. Everything else is a black box that I don't care about. Like, I actually just said, it's a black box, I don't care how you do it. And he said, okay, I can answer that question now. And that's how, we did that back and forth a few more times for 25 minutes in a call today. Of our 30-minute call. It was awful. It was really, really awful. So yeah, that's the big one. The other fun part is that the architect's gone around telling people about all these pieces they're going to make. He's not told anyone about the full system other than people that happen to be in the right calls where I'm asking about the full system. And he has ignored one of the first requirements written down for the project. And I am furious about that one, because it is extremely important. So I went in and explained to 2 different groups today what the fuck the requirement was and why it is so important for downstream systems to be able to do a certain thing. Yeah, right? Oh god, I think unfortunately this is the reason that when they pull me into the more technical focused role, it's not just going to be development, it's going to be development and architecture. And I think this is why. Because I'm good at organizing the thoughts, really quickly and cleanly in both lucid and in speech. Oh dang, did I just go live? Did I just get that notification? I'm hoping Trevenge can hear me. Yeah. I do actually have to plug in my phone real quick though. I just noticed that I forgot to charge it this morning, so it'll be fine. It's still got like half the battery left after like 36 hours. But yeah, so that was my fun adventure for the day. Was explaining that context to people. The best part is that I have 2 different solutions to solve the problem, but I need to know which one we're gonna go with, and I have to get certain teams involved in the decision making for who it's going to affect. But the architect seems to have just ignored the whole constraint because no one had heard it until I told them today about it. And I was just like, the fuck, this is one of the first things I said we had to do. Like, I can guarantee it was in the first 3 things I said this system had to be able to do, or it just wouldn't work. And somehow it's been dropped. And I'm like, no, we're bringing this idea back because I'm not letting it go away. It's far too important. Oh, wouldn't it be crazy if Trevenge only saw Odako live through my screen? Oh, that would be really funny. Let me make sure I have muted this tab. Okay, yeah, I have muted the tab, so I shouldn't get hit for restreaming it. But yeah, so that's the fun story time. I'm trying to think if there's any other good stories over the last 2 days. I don't think there are any good ones. Oh, I did binge an anime over the last like 5-ish days, like 2 to 3 episodes a day kind of thing. The Wrong Way to Use Healing Magic. Pretty good. I thought it was just gonna be like a comedy to watch, but it's actually like just like a solid anime that has some good comedy and action aspects to it. So recommend that one. Let's see. Oh, I tried to watch. God, the fucking title. The whole the isekai animes need to fucking shorten their titles, especially in Japanese, because good God, they are too damn long. So the English title, the shorter version is, oh God, it's something like Chilling in Another World with My Level 2 Cheat Power or some shit like that. Like that's the title of it. And it does that thing that I really hate about an anime where it's got like 3 or 4 really funny ideas and then they just butcher the execution immediately. So they do something that I haven't seen before. So I don't know, it's probably been done, but I haven't seen it in one of the mainstream ones before, where the guy gets isekai'd from one fantasy world to a different fantasy world. The only thing they do with that is that he doesn't know what the symbol for infinity looks like. That is the only thing that happens as a result of him being from a different fantasy world. Nothing about it is funny in the slightest. It's just that one thing, and I'm like, that's so lame and wasted. Why would you do that? The other thing they do is they do that thing where they give it some conception of levels and they can see their status screen and bullshit. And then it just shows him getting flooded by notifications on it, which is not a really funny point anymore. I'm trying to think what else what was the other thing? Oh, yeah, they give him a transformation power for the sole reason that he doesn't want to be recognized in town, or basically he gets into pseudo-legal trouble. And so he is given a transformation power for the sole purpose of making him look different for the rest of the anime, and for nothing else. And I'm just like, this is bad. It's really bad. Oh, he actually got it before me, damn. I was gonna say, it shouldn't be coming. You shouldn't be hearing your stream get restreamed from mine, at least, because I should have it muted. Yeah, that should be fine. Wait a minute. Hold up. Yeah, no, it should be good. I was gonna say, you don't hear your stream coming from mine, right? Okay, okay. Got it. Also, I'm now going to remove this window capture because I don't need it anymore. It was only there for that. Alright, yeah. Yeah. I've done that before. We have like two different streams coming in from different wireless things that you're wearing on different ears. Okay, so tonight we're continuing with some of the upgrades. Bobs are on screen. Oh, you want to see more bobs? I didn't draw those. No one did. That's weird. That's such a weird way for it to cut out. More booba? Okay. There we go. We got more booba now. See? There we go. And it does the jiggle. Physics are insane. What up, JB? Alright, I think it is about time, though, that we get to some of the code stuff. So, we'll go over here. I'll go over there. There we go. We got lots of code stuff. Oh, right, I should close that one. I'm not doing that shit right now. Oh, I had sushi earlier. I'm really full. It was delicious. I think it's a cool font. Yeah, so I was looking at documenting things earlier. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so I went through and documented a whole bunch of the, like, logic in here. Hold on. Berkeley Mono. I've looked at Berkeley Mono. I don't remember it being that great. Oh, yeah. Oh, they were there the last time you weren't in stream. I mean, it's neat, but I don't think this is the greatest font known to man. I wouldn't pay for it. See, I hate when zeros have a dot in the middle of them. If you need to make your zero look different because it looks too much like your O, you fucked up in your font design. Be better at fonts. And I will die on that hill. Like, it's one thing to have, like, a little bit of creativity with the look and feel, but this one you can tell it's because the O looks too similar. That @ symbol looks fucked up. It looks too thin. The slash I don't mind, because stylistically I think it looks a lot better than the dot. I think the dot looks like crap. But okay, that's whatever. Asterisk, neat, odd number of points, burn it. Why do I need an arrow? I don't need an arrow inside of my typeface. Yeah, it's a bad font. Yeah, their O and their 0 look too similar because they made their font poorly. See, my 0's got the slash in them because it's cool. Yeah, exactly. Alright, so... No, it's a git command. It's git good. So I was playing with this stuff and making it look better on this layout and things. I also changed the expandable thing to make it look a little nicer too. Oh yeah, I fixed a lot of stuff in the title bars with the way that menuing works. It's so much better now than it used to be. I should tackle tabs. I haven't done much with tabs, and I regret that. Yeah, so tonight we're working on Windstorm again. I'm also gonna update the documentation site. I gotta fix how it is, because I watched someone use it and they couldn't navigate it immediately, which means I designed it badly. Hey, what up, random noob? So that's what we're gonna be tackling tonight, is fixing up those things. I don't know, I feel like I can do something better here. Make me hydrate some more. Ugh. Yeah, I feel like I can do something better with these. Alright, so what we're gonna do... I'm gonna go in here. This is kind of my preview area now. Hey, what up, man? I'm glad you can still log into Twitch. I haven't seen you in a while. Sorry, I haven't seen you on Twitch in a while. We've been in plenty of calls. See, we're looking at tabs here. So we're gonna mark that one as open. There we go. That way it brings it to the top and auto opens it for me. Yeah, I want to do something with these. So what I was looking at was potentially making these kind of extend the radio buttons. Because that way they can be used in regular HTML. And they don't need any JavaScript. Does that mean I want to make... I don't know if I want to make it an extension of that, though. I think I want to make these differently. Oh, I've got an idea. Hold on. So if we go into the tabs here, this is how it works currently. If I do this, I can add some HTML to auto-hide this. I think that's how I do it. Okay, let's start formatting this a little bit better. So if I add some inputs to this, I can keep it the same way I do with like radios and other things. I can do something like this. And then, let's see if I could just have that running, yeah. And now to build. Okay. Okay, I think we're going to start by just hiding input elements on it. So we'll say any immediate child that is a radio input gets hidden. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I've got to do something slightly different actually in the HTML. How do I do this on these normally? The HTML on this. Oh, right, I just wrapped the label around it. Okay. I forgot my own sheets. So something like this is what we want. I'm gonna copy and paste that. I think while I'm testing, I'm actually not gonna put that in. I want to see this thing working. I want to see that visual cue stuff. Okay, so that part works. Apparently I hit a keystroke I didn't mean to there. Not sure what happened. So we're gonna set 2 of these as checked by default. That looks fine. Okay, so let's go back in here. This is actually gonna become important again to have it not displaying. I think I just gotta do that, actually. And that will take care of most of what I want to do. See what we get. Yeah, so that actually takes care of a good chunk of it. Oh, right. This has to go in here. Now nested at that level. And then... Oh, this was part of the problem. There's a focus within, but I don't know if there's another thing I can do related to that. It's checked, it was not checked within. First. No, that's not gonna work. It's just gonna select. It's not gonna tell me anything about it. I wish I could use has, but I can't yet. It doesn't have enough support on fucking Apple as usual. Let's see. Anything useful in this list for me? I doubt this is going to be useful. Yeah, it's Shadow Dom. Okay. Okay, so... how the hell do I pull this off? Because I need the I need the input tag inside the label so that they hook up properly without extra code. How do I pull this off? I think I need an extra element. Alright, we're gonna try something here. So we're gonna add an after element to this, to the label that's inside of the tabs. Yeah, so it shows that at the end. That's what I expected. So that's good. So now... Why is cursor pointer not working? Where's default cursor coming back in from? Oh, the label itself. Interesting. Okay. I guess I'll have to override that at some point. Okay, anyway, so we have our after element there, or a pseudo element. Can I style things based on that? So what I'm looking for is... So if I have something like the after element, like an after pseudo element on... I doubt this is going to work. I think it might not even compile, honestly. Alright, well, it compiled. Yeah, I didn't do anything, though. Okay. Damn it. Alright, so I think what's gotta happen... I have to move all of this. Into something like this to start. None of that matters. Rebuild. It's again. Okay, that just doesn't even... Oh, wait. Because HTML is wrong. Okay. So add that in. Okay, now it looks like tabs again. That's good. Oh, man. Okay, so we have our pointer cursor again. Take it out from that. I'm going to take out the padding on this as well. I like the 2 pixel gap. I think that works. We'll come back to all of these. Okay, so we've got that part working. Okay, I think for this, they display grid. That way if it grows, the content within it also grows. Yeah, see, that's the part that bugs me about this whole thing right now. Yeah, like it's doing this, but the flex ain't doing the thing. Why is it not doing the thing? That's weird. Did I remove a flex grow somewhere? I did. That's the part that needs the flex grow. Okay, there we go. Now it's back to the correct width. That's what I wanted. That's still working. So now what we can do is we can say if we got one of these, take that selector, select immediate sibling, modify the colors. I think that's how we pull this one off. Damn it. Alright, let's try to use selectors here. Okay. Get that. And then we're looking at label. Okay, so we get a label. That's good. That label gets type radio. I'm gonna change my string here a little bit so I can copy and paste things. Quotes in them. Ah, come on. Oh wait, is it? That's why. I dingused it. Okay. I don't know why I put 2 there. I should have known better. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay. Oh, secondary, code secondary. Alright. Change that to primary so they look different from each other. Yeah, alright, cool. So coloration's working. So now we want to do the fill aspect on it, and I think we should be good actually at that point. Oh, do I also want to make them clickable is the question. Because it is a nice effect. Let's see how that looks. Actually, yeah, that looks pretty good. That does look nice. Okay, so now let's handle the case of fill. think we take this. I think that's it. If we have a fill, then we do that with it. Let's try it. That did not work. Okay. Oh, it's got to be the thing in the label. That's what I did wrong. Oh, CSS. Goddamn. You know what? I don't mind it not having the other thing. I think that actually works. That's pretty cool. Okay, so vertical. Now we gotta work with vertical shit. So let's take these. Alright, let's apply that to it. What if I do that? Does that just work? That'd be neat if it worked. Huh, I think it worked. Well, that's cool. I just gotta make sure that I give them proper names. Yeah, there we go. That actually works really nicely. I think my body wants to go in a food coma right now. What? I was asking if I'm checking the first watch streak in chat for the night, you know? Gotta keep up my record somehow. Also, just realized how long I've actually been live for here. For those of you that aren't following Nerd already, you should absolutely go follow him. He is also streaming right now. He was in here earlier. Okay. So that looks like tabs kinda, I think they're good here. I don't know what I said that you caught. No, it's not that I'm tired. It's that I ate food like right before stream. Like energy-wise, I'm fine. I actually don't know what I said that would have sounded like that, honestly. Are you sure you didn't hear Odat say something about poop? Yeah, it's because I had sushi for dinner. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Okay, but this actually looks pretty decent. But I want to see... Are these actually adjusting width? Okay, they actually are. Cool. Oh god, you're gonna make me get up to get more water soon. Nearing the end of my bottle. But this now works, which is really cool. Really satisfying to play with. So I think that's it for tabs. I honestly thought that was gonna take longer to upgrade. But how do you punch at Sublime? It's so good. Okay, so go back here. We're not looking at that one anymore. Is there anything else I want to change? No, links are good, modals are good. I want to fix up the example for paper later on. Oh god, some people were doing hydrate. You're gonna drown me. I kind of wish I had a better example for this one, but oh well. These are meant for JavaScript, really. Let's see. Yeah, I think now we move on to the docs site. So I'm gonna publish this with a bunch of changes. Oh, I gotta update documentation on this shit though. Oh god. Did I update the docs last time I updated this? Okay, my docs should be nearly up to date then. Okay, good. Oh no, I only changed that. Oh, come on. Why have I done this to myself? I don't care about that. Oh god. Do I still do that? I do, okay. Yeah, that's fine, actually. So I know we have compact. What else? Do we have anything else in there? We don't. Actually, compact is not a component level macro. Okay. Cool, so that's actually good. So a lot of stuff, thankfully, I did make nicer. Oh, I think I know what I didn't do though. Yeah, it's no longer that. It's that. That's gonna be click. Wait, Avatar doesn't have. Oh my god, did I really just copy this shit that badly? Oh my god. Okay, hold on. I actually want to close a lot of the files that I have open right now so I can go through this kind of one by one. Color. Yeah, color and size, that's fine. Oh boy. There we go. Okay. I knew I had this somewhere. It's the at that I gotta fix there. That looks good. That didn't get changed. That's still good. That's been updated to bootstrap icons, so we're good there. That's wildly out of date. It's gotta be that. Let's make it consistent within there. Okay. Ooh. So all these get a second at on them. That default is now 200 milliseconds. How did I document these? That's how. Then I did. Yeah, alright, so I see why that works that way. Okay. That's unchanged. Doesn't have any in it. Paper. Okay, I feel like paper I changed a lot. But I think... Oh no, I did update this though. Okay. That's fine. Paper I did update properly. Same with that. Progress. Add that to it. Make sure. I don't remember updating this file at all. Oh, I did. Okay, good. Oh, wait a minute. This, I think, did actually change up a bit, didn't it? How do we mark that one? Yeah, okay, so it actually does take that. Okay. Yeah, this seems to work. Screen? Oh, no, that's the CSS file there. I don't think I changed this one a whole hell of a lot. I think I removed left and right, though. Did I? No, I actually did that one still. Okay. So let's go here. Oh, we did mark that. Yeah, table is fine. Okay, tabs. Okay, so it uses hidden tags to determine which tab is selected. Gotta make sure that it's that it is a radio input. So it uses the normal name, like behavior. Okay, so we can give it color, we can give it fill. That's no longer necessary. That got simpler, I like that. Okay, so the HTML changed on this, but the individual markers and macros didn't. That didn't change. Add this one. That, okay, did I change that one? Okay, I did update for Switch 2. Alright, cool. Then tooltip. Okay, that looks good. Okay, I think our docs are actually pretty up to date. I did a halfway decent job offline with that one, so I'm happy about that. Which means now we can test Ipsen. Oh god. Got a lot of ideas right now. I don't like all of them. Alright, well, let's commit this thing. I made a lot of commits or a lot of changes, and I should not have waited so long to commit these. Yeah, it's all code info. This is the one where things actually change? Nope. No changes there. What did I do? Alright, well that's going to be all code comments. Added that. Okay, ooh, let's go into here. Let's remove that. Okay, so this is where we made the change on the details. Total. Okay. Oh. So the changes we made to modal are set a max width on the drawers. What else did I do in there? Oh, right, okay. Color override on that one. Okay, tab's got a pretty good amount of change. Okay, title bar got quite a few changes. Okay. Yes, we reorganize how elements get added to the title bar. I'm just gonna say update docs on that. I'm just gonna start doing it that way now. Oh, you know, I actually did update the examples with it, so that's part of the docs. Yeah, so commit all of that. Okay, let's go ahead and push this. And then I'm not going to change Ipsen at its core right now. I'm just going to document it better at some point. But I am going to change the theme that I'm using. But first, I'm going to take a quick break to get myself some more water. Pull this, hold up. I can do studio mode. Go here. Add the thing I want there. Aha! IR genius. Gonna take a quick break. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so we've committed our code. That's a good sign. So now I want to extend this thing. Because I think I want to grab the index page out of here. Yeah, I want to grab this. We're actually just going to copy it because this is how Ipsen works. So let's do that. We'll go over here. Hey, what up, Ray? Let's see. I did this? No, I didn't. Okay. Let's do this. We'll host docs. Okay, that looks good. Go over here. Aha! Look at that. Okay. So that's good. If I go look at like Avatar, it's got all the updated stuff, which is really cool. I'm really happy about that. But I want to change this up because it didn't work for people, and that's bad. Let's see what can I do with this. Also, it feels like it should have done the thing. Not taking the right template stuff, is it? That's weird. Why isn't that taking page.html? Yeah, this is definitely the one I changed. That's weird. This totally should have worked. I don't know why it didn't work. God, I just got water. Don't make me put a cooldown on that one. Okay, so why is it not updating the title properly? This is interesting. Yeah, none of those are getting the right thing. What the heck? No, the salespeople aren't slacking. IT is slacking, and you know it. Salespeople can't sell garbage. So why is this not working? How the hell did I do this? Where do I define page.html getting used? That's not good. How does it know the page? Oh, Trevenge, you've missed a lot. The product is the biggest problem. By far. Most of the company that exists that's still left can't make updates to things. It's built on horribly outdated stuff. Oh, no, like, over the last, like, 3 months that he's popped in here occasionally with the stories. That's the stuff you've missed. Yeah, it's pretty bad. This is really weird. Oh, no, he's someone that I actually know. The place that he works is just awful. And he is trying to look for a new job. Yeah. Just the compiler as I thought. Ow. He does attempt to be a troll, but he's bad at it. It's funny. Okay, where the hell do I load in burger templates? Okay, I load them in here. Alright, hold on. Let's compile to... Compiles to a function. Okay. Okay, so if we go render file, we need to look... Okay, so I'm looking for something. Where the hell do I import this? It imports template.js. I don't understand what I've done so wrong here. Oh, here we go. It's the build template. Alright. Okay. Yeah, there's the render file. The render file's got to make that decision somewhere. Okay, hold on. Have our template. Not a permissions thing, I just can't figure out where the code goes somewhere, and that's really weird. Alright, later, man. Have a good night. Yeah, and that's the default from here. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. It's gonna be like in here, isn't it? How the hell did I do this? I don't know how I got this to work. What did I do? This is so weird. Did I miss something in the site.md file? No, I did not. Nothing special in there. How the hell can I not find the word page? I don't get it. How does it know to use that or not use it? God, that's awful. How did I fucking make this work the first time? I don't get this. How did I pull this off? And I can't even pretend that I stole it, because I did like 95% of it on stream. That's the worst part, is I don't know how to read my own damn code. Because I've missed something really important somewhere. What have I missed? Why doesn't this work at all? I don't get it. Damn. I don't fucking get it. What did I do? What have I missed? How the hell does it fucking decide this shit? I don't understand. It doesn't make any sense to me. Try this. Okay, that's fucking useless. That was a mistake. Where to get this? I don't know where it got that. Gotta be in process node. But it somehow isn't, and I don't get it. Okay, so transform tokens again. Oh my god. How did it not find page in here? That's obnoxious. Oh my god. Hey, welcome back. Finally found one of my answers. Okay, now what file was I looking at? Oh, there we go. That's the... Okay. So I gotta know where it loads that. Okay, so we parse the sidebar out. That's fine. Okay, so process sidebar there. Whole transform tokens bit. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay, so it actually parses that. Okay. And where does it load the damn template up? Fucking hell. Path dest file. So weird. Gotta be in build template where it grabs this stuff. It has to be. What am I missing? Source files. That's what I haven't done. Ugh. Okay. Alright, digging into this shit. I think we're getting somewhere finally. Okay, what does my list of directories look like? It pulls from there and there. Okay. Oh god, it overwrites in the wrong way somewhere. That's weird. That shouldn't have happened. My source files. This isn't working correctly. Holy shit. These were probably... Oh, fucking hell. Oh my god, I did this in the wrong order. Holy shit, no wonder. Oh my god. Oh no, what's happened? I have no idea why Odette is saying that, so I'm asking him in his chat. Ooh, he's got the wrong game in the database somewhere. Ooh, that's rough. Okay, so I think that's what I have to do. I think that's gonna make it all work. Yeah, that looks much more correct. Now it has the right title. Fucking hell. Can't believe I did this. Shit. Also, oh god. I cannot fucking believe I did this to myself. This thing is so broken. Oh yeah, that's fine. I'm not worried about that. That's gonna happen. Okay. Well, I can fix this locally, and then I'm gonna have to go update Ipsen. You know what? I'm gonna update Ipsen right now and not worry about this. We're gonna do this the right way. Here we go. Ipsen. Okay, so we changed that in... Oh god, why did I do all of these changes? What did I do? Oh, I tried to publish an actual 4.0, didn't I? Did I ever publish it for real? How am I not the only Ipsen? I never published a 4.0. Okay. Oh god, he's broken his whole database apparently. Okay, so I think it was in here. Yeah, there we go. Let's go fix it in here, because that's going to be a lot better. Ooh, damn. Alright, everyone pray for Odat. Alright, oh god. Okay, so we've got it fixed in Ipsen. I was ready to publish a 4.0. I don't know what I've changed. What all have I changed in here? I actually updated it for the newer shit. Oh my god. Wow. That's depressing. You know what? I'm gonna make this, because I wanted to make this the new default anyway. I'm gonna do this fix in Ipsen later on. I'm gonna test it locally here. And I'm gonna change the main page file here first. Although I think, actually no, I gotta bring in all those changes in here to test it. Fucking hell. Okay, This is complex now. Actually, I can just override the entire thing. That's what I can do to test it. I can go in here to the lib, makes a template. I can take all of this. I can come back over here, go into here. Replace those two files in destination. Yeah, okay, so whatever changed, I can go change it back as I need to. That's fine. In this case, though, Windstorm. Okay, so let's do that with it. And it's just a template change, so I should be able to do this and have it work still. Oh, I should take out the log that I put in. That looks fine. Okay. Ow. I've burned my retinas. Right, because I need to set the theme properly again. There we go. Okay. I gotta change all the icon names as well. That's going to be repo section. That becomes GitHub there. That is completely fucking broken. Shit. Oh. Because that's now that. Yeah. Okay, we'll come back to some of these other fixes later on. That looks better. Okay. However, did I not have radius? Really? Just say no, I'm in Windstorm. I can just go check this shit. It's gonna be here under simple. Yeah, radius bottom should work. Why is it not working? Oh, god damn. Because of the way I'm applying CSS. Fucking hell. Yep. Oh, jeez. I've got to define these in better orders. God damn it. I'll deal with that another day, honestly. I don't want to deal with that right now. What I should be doing is radius top 0. There we go. Cool. That's working. That's good. Okay. I think that one's next. Oh, click on that. That was an accident. Okay. Oh, goes down. All of the ones that are not being tracked, those are all. Let's see. Okay. Sidebar. site tree. Sidebar contain both? Oh, it contains both of these. Okay, cool. That's fine. Okay, we got our 2 buttons here. Get list on that one. These look like proper buttons now. Okay, there we go. We're getting there. Definitely getting there. Modal's got to come in differently. I think that actually takes care of them there. Yes, there we go. Okay. Oh god, I gotta change that piece now. The title bar is all fucking different. Yeah, that all changed drastically. Ooh. That all changes there. To update for the new title bar. That's a lot better. That should still... Okay, so we gotta fix that one. Oh, I gotta change all the icons on these too. Okay. Alright, I think we're gonna modify this a little bit. No, I think it works still right now, so we're not gonna change too much. I am gonna move the site nav and page nav back into one place, though. I think that I want to do again, because that was confusing to people. How do I want to do that? Gotta look good on mobile. That's the big one. I've got an idea for this. So, in our sidebar, I'm gonna take this. Oh, how do we pull this off? I think we comment out that for the moment. What do we do? That needs to change. Mark it as content. I think we do this to start. We just say navigation. Let's try this. Yeah, because that still kind of works. Okay, that actually doesn't look as bad as I expected immediately. That's actually a really good sign. What I'm gonna do though is we're gonna add details to this. I'm gonna add page sections, and then we're gonna add another flex in here. But I think actually just works by default the way I want it to. Now that I'm thinking about it. I think it does actually. So let's try that. Yeah, that works. That gets me page navigation, and then all of this stuff. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so I want that site navigation to look different. That's pulling from site tree.html. Okay, so I did want to go back in here. Link icon. Ah, here we go. Okay. So let's look at our Bootstrap icons. What do we get for files and folders? Let's see. What we got here? Alright, hold on. What did I do with tabular icons? So I ditched tabular icons because it was just too gigantic. Like, they were cool, but good god, there were too many of them loading on the page, and it was actually like making Windstorm slow again, and I didn't want that. So what did this look like? Okay, so it just looked like that, which is kind of expected. We got a folder in here. Alright, folder's gonna be same name. That one we can fix now. Okay, now this one. Oh, it's got the same name. Okay, cool. That's convenient. Neat. How does it look now? Oh, that's way cooler. Oh, shit. Okay. We're gonna cut down the indentation on this. Probably by a whole level. That works. That's really cool. Damn. I did not expect this to look this good, this quickly. I'm really, really happy with this. That also means we can close that. We can close that. I can go back here. We can remove this. We can now also remove that whole second button. We're going to do something with these in a moment, too, that I think is going to be even cooler than what I have already. Okay. Also, we got rid of the warnings, which is good. Are all the errors in there? So, you know, we're on a roll here. We're getting there. We're getting to a thing that I actually might like. Okay. So, let's tweak this a little bit. Think that'll work? Hey, that worked. Cool. All right, that's what I like. That's what I like to see. I'm gonna do one more tweak though. I'm gonna say 4 pixels there. Let's say transparent on that for now. I have border.x and y. Did I ever do that? Actually, why am I checking that? I keep forgetting I'm just actually in the library again. Did I add a border X and Y? I feel like I did. Yeah, I did. Oh, I didn't do it for color though. Color, style. There we go. I like shortcuts. Let's add more. Let's add more shortcuts because it adds so little to the actual code. But it does mean that I can say this now. Order.x.color on hover. Change those. Run make docs. Oh, that's cool. Padding's broken though. Oh, because I took out padding left. Okay. How did I do that? Oh, I see. Okay. Because that went down to 0 at a minimum. Got it. There we go. That looks really cool. I'm going to do that on these as well. Because I really like how that's turned out. Now do I like... Yeah, you know what? I do like the like diagonals on it too. It feels kind of like the way I want it to. So we're going to add that to the other part of the sidebar as well. On our site tree. Okay, 4 pixel padding. Border is 4 pixels. Solid transparent by default. Bit of border right. Border.x.color when it's hovering. I really like the macro system too. Like the macro system here is working so much better than I thought it ever would. Okay, let's see how this looks. I'm missing something here. Why is it not working? Oh, because that's done incorrectly, so the base isn't there to give it the right width on the border, huh? Yep, that was it. Oh, that looks so much better. Damn. Trying to figure out where I want to put the page navigation, though. I don't want to do it side by side, because when you have longer titles, especially on mobile, it's going to look really bad. I don't know, I feel like the page navigation should go somewhere else, though. I'm going to change the name from page sections to page nav. I think we'll start with that. Yeah, let's start with that. Okay, let's go rebuild this. Yeah, that works better. I want to switch the colors. I think I do. I think I want this to match this, and I want this to be secondary. I think, let's put it inside of an outlined area real quick. See how that looks. Oh, that's a lot better, actually. Yeah, okay, let's make that, let's swap those colors as well now. You become secondary. You become primary. Oh, that looks really clean now. Oh, I gotta change the inner one there. There we go. Secondary on that. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. I like that. I might even be able to do... I wonder if I made it sticky, if it would be happy about that or not. I don't know. I'm not gonna do that yet. I'll have to figure out. I want to figure out a better way to do that first. Yeah, so we're gonna click on this. This looks really clean still. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I gotta fix this up. Shit. Okay. I think that's the code section. That's the code area, but that's not it. Yeah, so it's probably up here. Okay, okay, here we go. That's gotta be at control. Oh, this is way out of date. No wonder. This never got fixed up. Okay. Okay, that's the label text. Code-wise, it should still work fine. But that's got to get changed there. Let's see how this looks now. That looks better. I thought it was label text. Was it not that? Hilariously, what I can actually do is go look at this. Oh no, it is just label. Oh right, because label text is going to be a different thing. Got it. Nope, that makes sense. I made it consistent with itself finally across everything in the library. That's why I couldn't fucking remember. Yep, there we go. Oh, that's cool. Why does it feel like these are different dark themes? Oh, because that's gonna... No. Why does it feel that they're different dark themes? Yeah, those are the same. How is that possible? I don't understand how this is possible. I also just realized I need to readjust something on one of these. Inside the control. Only instance of minimum width. But I'm actually going to decrease that even further. Is going to be my minimum width for one of these elements. Let's go ahead and run build again. I'm going to update those. How does that start? Okay, that's going to be a bit of a problem, but that's... You know what, that's still not terrible looking. Well, okay, no, that is kind of shit, actually. Oh well. That is the, you know, be careful with the size of your components. I'm not gonna worry too much about it. It looks fine overall. Why are those different? Why do those look different? What did I do? Are those the same color? Am I just crazy? They look like the same color kind of in OBS, but I feel like I'm tricking myself here. Going into Paint to figure this out. Okay. What color? Oh, come on. Tell me what the damn color is. There we go. Nope. Okay, I think I am just insane. I don't know why they look like different colors to me, but they... Yeah, they're the same color. Alright. That'd be something to do with like the surrounding stuff in it, and maybe the colors that are inside of it are making my perception of it slightly off. Colors are weird. I don't like perception. I want reality. Give me reality instead, please. Why can't human body be more accurate in its measurements? Yeah, insanity confirmed. I mean, we already knew that, but this is, you know, just in case you weren't certain of it. I mean, why else would I ask for a model with gigantic anime titties? With incredible physics? I have to be insane, right? think that's looking good now, so we can close that down. Yeah, okay, so let's go back to our top level page. I'm gonna change a little bit more about it. Oh yeah. You know what's funny is actually originally the hair was shorter originally. In the first like major iteration of the art, Shion's hair only went down to like just before her hands. And then one day while Hachi was working on it, we were just talking about like, you know, more hair equal better in chat and, you know, pink hair supremacy and all that stuff. And she was like, hold on a second. And she took the twin tails in the back and just expanded it, like scaled it up to the size it is now. And I was like, wait a minute. That looks insane. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna add a border to the sides. Ooh, yes. I really like that. I really, really like this. Also, I just realized because I'm just overwriting this, I can just commit this right now, and it would actually work on the deployment. It would work properly, which is pretty nice. Okay, so now I actually want to take these buttons. I want to like tie them to the side now, in what is hopefully a really cool way. Also, I want to check one thing inside the file here. Bottom, top, left, right. Okay, I did do that. Cool. And then did I do it for radius? Yes, I did. Okay, cool. That's what I was hoping for. I really like how that looks with the borders on the sides. That feels really cool. Okay. See, that looks good. I like where that comes in. Okay, so let's start tying the, let's kind of like attach the buttons to the side now. I think that's gonna look really cool. So we go back to our sidebar. First one. Actually, you know what? We do the repo one first. That one's gonna be simpler. Okay. I don't know why I put border style in here and border color. Oh, because I made it flat. Okay, right. I see what I did here. Got it. Okay, text decoration there. And now I want to modify this. So what we're going to do is border left width, border right, or no, border bottom. And then we're gonna say radius top is 0 pixels, and the radius for bottom right is also 0 pixels, which leaves the bottom left having the border radius on it still. Yes, there we go. Apparently I want to leave that border up there too. Huh. Oh, because I gave it an actual background color, that's why. Okay. Yep, that's fine. So border right width. Also 2 pixels. There we go. Oh, that looks so good. And that link works. Oh my god. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing with this button. It's gonna look fucking sweet. Go back to main page here. We're gonna have to update that again. I keep breaking that shit. I should check out this table as well and see what happened there. I've got a feeling I know what happened. Oh no, I just never made it that fancy. Okay. That's fine. Not really that worried about this piece right now. I have to update this example. It should be .c, not -c. I think the rest of this does look... I think the rest of this did get updated properly. Yeah. Okay. Before I forget the README part, I'm gonna go do that now. I want to make sure that so the idea is that every piece of code in here you should be able to copy and paste, and it should work on a page. That's the goal. That 4.1. Okay. So now we come back, we gotta fix the sidebar up here. Alright, sidebar. Let's see what we can do now. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. We'll leave the grid part intact. I think I'm gonna copy this. Bottom left. Oh. Yes. And then that left. I think that's how we do this real quick. I broke something. Oh, I didn't need to do that part, just the top. That's why. Yep, there we go. Oh, that looks so good. Alright, then we have our page navigation and our site navigation in one place. You know what? I'm gonna wrap the other thing in the detail as well. Let's see, what is site tree output? A div. Yeah, a list of divs. You know what? do this. We'll have this one open by default on each page. That way. When you go look at it, you can collapse that too. Oh, I really like how that looks now. That feels really good. Okay, I think this is a worthwhile upgrade. Oh, I should call it site navigation. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. I really liked how that's turned out. Okay. I think we commit this. I think we commit and publish it. Let me go double check macros and markers here. Why does this look... Oh, because this is different shit on it. Oh, crap. Oh, no. I mean, it brought these in, which is nice, but... Oh, God. Why do I do this to myself every time? Okay, built in. What do you got for me? You get Windstorm. Is that why? No, that's definitely not why. Okay, hold on. Let me get the body lined up on these. Yeah, okay. It didn't get updated at all, but it's only the two... Okay, it's only the two lines that I have to fix. Oh, wait a minute. I want to make sure that this works correctly. Okay, that's fine. It didn't matter a whole lot, but I really want that, like, I really wanted it to like, always work the way I intend. Ah, right, okay. I know what's happened here. So let me finish this. That becomes at theme. Build again. Oh, come on. Oh, right. It's not a macro, it's a marker, which looks fundamentally different. Okay, there we go. That's good. And then the table didn't get the coloration on it because it's wrong. Okay. So built in, what you got for me? Oh, what did I do with this? Where does that get generated? I don't know where that table is. in the code anymore. That's weird. Oh, it wasn't here. Oh, okay. Alright, I got it. Cool. That's simple enough. Build that. Okay, no more problem there. That looks better. I like that. Okay, cool. I think we're good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. That all works correctly. I've tested that with things. Yeah, alright. I think we're good for a publish, and I think this is where we wrap it up for the night. I don't want to jump back. I thought I would have time to jump back in Zephyr, but I didn't. Which is fine. That's not too big a deal right now, because I have a lot of upgrades to make in Zephyr now with the updates I've made to Windstorm. Okay. Uh-oh, that's Ipsen. We'll come back to that one. Okay, we add some more border macros. Okay. Yes, we reduce the min width for the control inputs. And then just a ton of update docs. Okay, update docs, and then I added, okay, yeah, so then here, yeah, we added a command for previewing the docs site, and then I want to make sure I increment the version number. Just gonna write it that way. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this and the way that it's turned out. I've made sure I've built it most recently for everything to stay up to date. So I think we're going to go ahead and publish. And then we're going to push it to GitHub for having it update the docs site as well. There's Windstorm 041 up to date. Let's go ahead and push this. Go look at Cloudflare real quick and check on the deployment status. Because all the Ipsen files do get committed. So it shouldn't have any problems like generating it and building it. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Ah, come on. What the hell? Oh god, it doesn't have a fix in it. Oh, I have to publish the one fix first. I'm gonna have to re-push this at some point. God damn it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna do that right now. Because I've done the upgrades to the Ipsen base dock stuff that I wanted to. As well as this nifty fix. Okay. Oh, what did I copy over? Okay, we didn't copy static over, did we? No, we didn't. Okay. So code and page. Oh, those have a bunch of custom crap now, don't they? No, because the built-in's the other one that I had to modify stuff on. So we should be good. I'm gonna double check that. Okay, yeah, it's not pulling in any custom stuff. All the regular parts. Code should be as well. Yes, okay. So I'm gonna take those. This is API parts, code, and page. Copy that. Come into here to our basic template and override. And replace every file in there. Yep, that's updated for the right thing. That's all updated for the right thing now. Okay, cool. So I have an updated template. I have the fix for this. Oh, you know what? There is one change I have to do in here. This page has to go back to doing it other way. It needs to go back to doing it that way. So that works for everybody who downloads Ipsen, not just me. Alright, so let's go back and open up Ipsen. Yeah, a lot of this was updates just for... Yeah. I think it's going to be sidebar. Yeah, sidebar got the most changes. Okay. I'm going to release this as an official 4.0. Or 0.4.0, I should say. Okay, so first... Improve the base template look. So let's go ahead and commit that. Yep, that's a bug fix right there. Yeah, so the template path resolution was in the wrong order. Finally, another non-beta release, too. It's been quite a while since I've done a non-beta release on this. A really, really long time. Been a year. Holy shit. I've been on the beta of this thing for a year. That's terrible. Yeah, Ipsen. Okay, let's take a look at this one. That looks really clean. Damn, I'm really happy with this actually. Like, holy crap. This looks so good. Oh my god. I'm so happy with how this thing looks right now. Okay. So, we're gonna merge this back into main, and I'm gonna publish it as well. Okay. First... So yeah, we're gonna merge next into live. Switch to live. Yeah, just a huge number of changes throughout this thing over the last year. And we're gonna push this up. Hell yeah, we're gonna get a production one now. Do I have a regular custom? Oh, I do have a custom domain for that one. Cool. Well, let's see what happens here. Alright, well, it says upload complete. Did I ever hook it up? I did hook it up. Sweet. Oh, that looks so cool. I'm really happy with that. I didn't modify that. Fucking kill me. God damn it. I haven't updated that in a couple of beta versions. Fucking hell. It's fine. We can just redeploy it right now. I'm not that worried. But like, to get that far and then just right at the end. Sorry, just checking my phone real quick. Okay, phone's good to go. It's nice and charged up. Okay. Push that. That looks good. We'll come back over here. Let's make sure this one looks good. Okay, upload complete. I should say Ipsen, and that shouldn't say beta. I'm a dingus. Why is it telling me that my deployments failed? They succeeded. Yeah, like those are good. Yeah, Windstorm succeeded too. What the hell? Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Those are GitHub. Holy shit, I never took the... Oh my god, did I never take that out? I didn't. Oh boy. Okay. Hold on, I don't think these are gonna have any secrets in them, but just in case. Yeah, no, it does. Oh my god. Because I was still using pages at one point on this. Holy shit, I can't believe I forgot about that. Let's delete that. Let's go back down here. That's why it says home. And this is no longer Ipsen beta. Yeah, still not a production release. It's still 0.4, but that's fine. I'm okay with that. All right, and I haven't published it to NPM yet because of these silly mistakes. Yeah, because we're no longer in a beta. Now we're in like a pre-prod or something. I think is what I'd call this. Few details. I do enjoy how fast it is, though. I'm really happy about that. Like, Ipsen does render at a good speed. Okay. There we go. Now it says Ipsen. That looks really good. Cool. Oh. That shit is awesome. That is so satisfying to see. So now we can go update Windstorm with all these badass changes. Oh, actually, you know what? Let me publish this first. So npm publish. Yeah, we're on the right branch again. Oh, excuse me. All right, here we go. npm publish. What? What the fuck? Oh, don't tell me I published a 4.0 at one point. No, I couldn't have. Oh, I did, but with the beta tag on it. Damn it. Alright, well, it's 0.4.1 suddenly. I don't want to go unpublish a version 4, honestly. I just don't want to deal with that nightmare. Yeah. That's fine. I'm not that worried. Easy fix. Okay, cool. Let's increment that, push it up. I am happy to publish this. Yeah, I do want to publish it with the examples as well. That way people can see that kind of stuff, because it's really cool. I should probably update them at some point. You know, maybe I don't want to publish those. Now I'm thinking about it. No, you know what? They're small enough. I'm not going to worry about the file size. Yep, Ipsen's at 4.1 now. Okay, let's publish 0.4.1. Because that hasn't been published as a version yet. There we go. No tag on it. Let's fucking go. Okay. So now... Let's see, I think I locked it at 4.7 beta. Yes, I did. So... 0.4.1, not a beta anymore. Run make docs. It should still work fine. It should still look the same in my preview. And it does. That's really what I was hoping for here. Okay. I'm happy with that. Let's go publish that change. And that should give me the updated Windstorm docs as well. So now it's going to install that version of Ipsen when it goes to publish the Windstorm docs. Yeah, there we go. Make sure it didn't break by accident. Looked like I saw the right version of Ipsen there when it flashed by. It's uploading files. That looks good. Cool. Anything more it's got to do? Yeah, okay, there we go. Assets published. There we go. The new Windstorm page. Fuck yeah. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this thing. And with Ipsen. Oh my god. That is so satisfying to see this. Oh, damn. Yeah, and that README got published with all the right stuff in it, so it doesn't say beta on it. Okay. That's where we're gonna call it for the night. I also went to see if I'm gonna raid ODAT or not, because the person I was gonna raid has actually ended for the night already. Really? Now my camera goes off? It went so well tonight. Damn. Camera was doing better over the weekend. I don't know what happened here. Getting kind of annoyed by that. Alright, but yeah, so, that's actually good. Alright. We're gonna go raid ODAT Nerd. He's still working on stuff, and I want him to see the new code bases. He is one of the... Actually, I would call him, like, the earliest adopter that wasn't me of Windstorm. So, I want him to see, you know, be one of the first people that gets to see it outside of stream. Kind of the cool upgrades that were made. Alright, so let's get this raid going. Start that raid up. Alright, cool. So like I said, we're gonna go right ahead and raid ODAT Nerd, fellow programmer. He is working on a project that actually uses the svelte binding of Windstorm that I'm gonna go upgrade. As well as a bunch of cool Cloudflare technology. You know, let me go here. I like this. I like this as an end. It feels cool. So Saturday I think is probably going to be a gaming stream. I'm going to do a lot of the Zephyr upgrades offline at this point, because I'm going to reorganize a whole bunch of stuff, and get it ready for Svelte 5. And I got to do some research on that as to like where I'm going to put in those changes and things like that, and decide if maybe I just cut over to Svelte 5 a bit early. I'm not sure yet. It's still in beta. They're still adding occasional features, so I'm not sure I want to cut over yet. But I definitely want to get certain pieces in place and prepared for when Svelte 5 does get released. I want to upgrade Zephyr really quickly to it. Thanks everybody for stopping by. For everyone who lurked and who chatted, appreciate it as always. Next stream Saturday, like I said, probably a gaming stream. I don't think it'll be Pokemon. I think it might be something else, but we'll see. Anyway, that's it from me. Hope everyone has a good night, and I will see you all next time.
Hey, you have a raid message. How did stuff go? I'm gonna stop watching myself because that's just creepy. Ooh, nice. That's not where I would want